nystagmus, the whole world may appear wobbly. As you can see, it becomes difficult to place the microkeratome as the eye is not at all stable, and thus it can result in
Monica, audio is gone.
an angle.
So now it is there?
Extreme use of a microchip. Similarly, a globe stabilizer can stop the nystagmoid movements. So we now present to you a technique to flawlessly do refractive surgery in patient having nystagmus. So what do we need to do? Wash the eye with saline and clean the eye with a medicine sponge and dry the corner surface. Now we need to stabilize the globe with a globe stabilizer, which we use in cataract surgery for making side coat under optical phaco. Once the eye is stabilized, start firing the laser directly. Then apply 0.02% mitomycin for 30 seconds and then thoroughly wash the eye with at least 40 to 50 ml of saline, and then we place a VC on the top of it. What happens next? The patient is free of glasses and is very happy and content.
Damini.
ऑपरेशन पहला ना ऑपरेशन देखा तुला अब एक टारगेट करने मी सरस देखायचे ना ओके
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Excellent.
Nice presentation.
Thank you.
And most of the modern examiner, they can take care of the nystagmus itself. Say if the movement is more than 2 millimeter, only then you require a this thing sort of fixation. If it's a micro nystagmus or the nystagmus are very fine, then the examiner takes care of itself. The active eye tracker is there, so it's taking care. If there is a gross movement only, then you require what you have shown. It's a good thing. And
Yes.
the second, yeah.
No, sir, this was like for not making the flap. I mean,
No, not flat. I'm not talking of flat. Even if you are putting an excimer, there is an active eye tracker.
yes, yes.
If there is a movement of nystagmus that's less than 2 millimeter, that's too much, 2 millimeter, then
Yes.
that active eye tracker can take care of that part. If it's
Yes.
too much, it's a gross nystagmus, only then you require fixation. For fine nystagmus, I don't think modern machines all have very, very advanced active eye tracker for that. Dr. Vavekar would like to say something?
Yes, sir. I would fully agree with you
Yeah.
that small nystagmus is very well taken care by the excimer laser, whether it is for LASIK or trans-PRK. And it is only when your gross movements like head movements or eye movements, that time we get a problem.
Yeah. And second is you can use your microkeratome suctioning also to hold the eye.
Yeah, there is a
Sir, the concept was that we did not want to make a flap and we wanted to make
No,
it
it's not.
flapless procedure and do a trans PRK.
Yeah, it's not for making flap. It's just for holding. You do the trans PRK. It basically is used to hold. There is an option for low vacuum also there.
yes, exactly.
In most of the keratomes now. So you can have a low pressure and you can hold the same thing, same what you did with this thing. You can use a suctioning also for that. It's for trans PRK only, both the things.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's an alternative. I mean, say that's one of the method you can also use.